Hey guys, welcome to Login Hubs. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Fliki AI account online on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Fliki AI account online on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser as I'll be going to the internet browser itself. And tap on the search bar after opening your preferred browser and type in the address flicky.ai like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Fliki AI, whereas on the top right corner of the screen you can see the start creating button available. Tap on the start creating button like this, and then you'll be over here, which is the login page of the Fliki AI. You can choose to log into your Fliki AI with your Google, Facebook, or your LinkedIn account. If you tap on either of these buttons, you will be able to open a login page to Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn button, whichever you have tapped on respectively. And after you log into your respective accounts on that login page, you will be able to log into your Fliki AI account with those three platforms. With that being said, let's tap on the continue with email and enter your email address over here, which you had registered on the Fliki AI at the time of creating your account. And after entering your email address like this, tap on next, and a send a verification code button will be available to tap on that send verification code like this, and the verification code will be sent to your Fliki AI account. Enter your verification code after you get it and tap on that verify button, and then you will be successfully signed into your Fliki AI account online from your Android device. And so guys, this is how you log into your Fliki AI account on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.